guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing my favorite video of the year. This is the second time I have done this. I had so much fun doing last year. We are going to be going through some holiday kits. Now I have some from mainly Sephora, but I have something from TJ Maxx and something from Ulta as well. So let's get into it. So these are the ones that I picked out that I personally wanted and felt like I would use the products that were in there. There are so many holiday kits out and they are so good, guys. This is the best time of year to try new products out, especially skincare, because a lot of the more expensive skincare companies come out with value sets with little miniatures of their big boys, so you can try these products out at a really good deal. Like always, my dog is making a ton of noise. She's been very naughty today. We just started puppy classes and she did very, very well, but she's being very inquisitive today and getting into literally anything and everything. Since we have so much from Sephora, I'm gonna save that stuff for last. Let's go into TJ Maxx and Ulta. Okay, so I just have one thing from Ulta. They didn't have very many holiday kits that intrigued me. Mainly, I usually just go for the Sephora ones, but this is part of their exclusive holiday collection with Kylie Cosmetics. This is the pressed powder face palette. The packaging for this on the outside is so cute. It's legit glitter and it's raised. Really cute. Oh no, my palette's dented on the side. That's okay. So I chose this because these colors would really, really work for me, and I really want something that's an all-in-one palette that I can take on the go when I travel and stuff. So you get two highlighters in here. This first one is Ice Me Out, and then Cheers Darling. So you have like an icy color and then a nice like gold champagne. And then it has a blush, which is called Baddie on the Block, which is a really pretty peach color. And then the Toasty bronzer. I've never tried her bronzer before, but I know I like her formula for blushes and highlighter. And that's a really great bronzer shade for me. So I'm very excited about this. It was, let me see, $38. Okay, then from TJ Maxx, I got this bad boy right here. These they're actually also selling at Ulta. I think this is just a different version of the same thing, or maybe just last year's. But this is a box from The Body Shop and it's in the scent British Rose. So this is like a sampling box. Super cute. So I really like the British Rose scent.
Stop chewing on everything. Stop it.
So in here you get a really good size of a shower gel, because they have this in different scents. A loofah, which I always like these little loofahs, so I can change mine out now. You get a body butter. This one says Instant Glow. It's got a little shimmer in it. And then the, what is this? Exfoliating gel body scrub. And like I said, they have these in different scents. They have miniature versions of this also, so I'm gonna link everything down below as always, but this is a really good one. And from TJ Maxx it was only $12.99, and then from Ulta I'm gonna put the price right here. Okay, Sephora. We have a lot. So it's mainly skincare. We have one makeup kit and then a perfume kit. Also, I didn't even mention, I have a holiday shirt on just for this. Not just a plain white t-shirt. It says mistletoe and mimosas. It's from Target from like 4 years ago. So let's do perfume first. This is the Nest Fragrance Sampler Set. So this is a sampler of all of their different fragrances, and I got this because I'm on a journey to figure out what scent I'm going to wear on my wedding day. I don't want it to be a scent that I already own, something that I use all the time, because I want it to be special for that day and then wear it on like date nights and anniversaries and stuff like that. I I thought I would try Nest fragrances out. I've never had one before, and this has all of them. So Wild Poppy, Black Tulip, Indigo, Cocoa Woods, Wisteria Blue, Citrine, Midnight Floor, and Dahlia and Vines. So I'm really excited to pop this open and start trying some. This next kit I'm very excited about. This is a Fenty kit. So this is called the Balm Baby, and it has a mini lip, and it's a mini lip and face set. They have Balm Baby and Balm Baby 2. I got the first one. Balm Baby 2 comes with one of the more pinkier lip glosses, but this comes with the original gloss balm. This is the Universal Lip Luminizer, and then it comes with the highlighter in Kilowatt. I've wanted to try the lip gloss out, and I already know I love the highlighters, so I thought, why not? Actually, sorry, Kilowatt is the name of what type of highlighter it is. The name of this specific one is Hustla Baby. So it's more of, it's like kind of like a peachy gold. Super, super pretty. Yes, I love that. And then we are going to get into this. This is the Fenty Glow Gloss Balm. People say they love this, so I'm super excited to try it out. It has like kind of like a gummy candy scent. Okay, let's transition from makeup to skincare with this because it has both. So this is a set by Milk Makeup. It has 2, 4, 6, 7 products in it, mini size. So it's this really cute clear bag, which I probably will give away because I have a ton of bags. This is called Milk Makeup MVPs, Meet the All-Stars. So these are their best-selling products, I assume. We have one of my all-time favorite products by them, which is their cooling like water thing, if I can get it out. This is the cooling water. So it's just a little stick. I love to use this under my eyes before makeup. Really easy to use, and it feels really good. I'm wearing that now under my concealer. And then another product I am wearing is their Kush mascara, which I have a sample of as well. I really like it. I have it on my bottom lashes and connecting my falsies with my real lashes. This is a good mascara, so I'm glad to get that again. Then something I already have a sample of that I haven't tried yet is the Hydro Grip Primer. I've heard really good things about this, so I'm going to try my smaller sample to see if I like it. If I don't, then I can put this in a giveaway, pass it on, that kind of thing. So I'm excited to try that. Next up we have their Watermelon Brightening Serum, which is like this pink one. I want to smell this. So it's like a very faint watermelon smell. Maybe you can smell it more when it's on the skin. Next up is this really pretty red stick. This is the Glimmer and Glow Oil Lip. Okay, so this is like a shimmery oil lip balm, that kind of color. Don't know if I'm going to use this. I might pass it on. Not sure, but that's cool. I like the packaging. Then we have their Blitzed highlighter, which is pretty dark for me. I have one of these already in a lighter shade. I think it's called Mars. I'm gonna pass this one on, which is totally fine. And then we have their matte bronzer in Baked, which I want to try this. It looks like it might be a little dark, but I think sheared out a little bit with some foundation and a beauty blender, it will look really, really nice. A brand I'm repeating this year is Glow Recipe. So last year I got their watermelon kit. So it had like the watermelon face mask and moisturizer. I love both of those. They're so good. I can't even open this. So this is the Glow Baby Glow. This is $29 and it's a $47 value, and I haven't even told you about the values of the other kits. Maybe because they don't say the value on here at all. So the Milk Makeup is right here, and then the Fenty Beauty one is right here, just for your information. Anyways, back to Glow Recipe. So this, you get the Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask, which I love, and then the Avocado Melt Retinol Sleeping Mask, which I've never tried before, which is why I wanted to get this product, because I already know I love the watermelon one, so I'm definitely going to use that, and I've always wanted to try the avocado one, so this is the perfect time to get it because it's a great deal. So it just kind of comes out like that. Oh, and they have a little spatula for you. That's so cute. It's actually pretty big, and it's got like a nice little scooper on it. So we have a decent size of the watermelon. This is a fluid ounce. And then for the avocado, this is 0.85 fluid ounces. And they are both nice glass jars. So really getting great product for $29. This last kit is like the pride and joy of this video. I am so excited because last year I bought this for somebody for Christmas, didn't buy it for myself. So this year they came back out with something similar, so I'm buying it for myself. This is the Bum Bum Carnival Celebration by Sol de Janeiro. So this is $59 with an $89 value. So this is a big kit. I like the box, very nice. Everything is kind of rattling around in there. Yes, something got loose, two things got loose. So this is the, like I said, Bum Bum box, Carnival box. So you have everything Bum Bum in here. So, and I love all of this stuff. We have the Brazilian Touch hand cream, which is such a beautiful hand cream. Love this stuff so much. Then you have a full size 8 fluid ounces of the Bum Bum cream, which is hands down one of the best moisturizers for the body out there. It really soothes dry skin. I have really dry skin in the winter, not necessarily just like on my face, but all over my body where I like itch so much, and I put this on it and I like feel instantly soothed. Then we have a little mini of the Brazilian Foreplay Moisturizing Shower Cream Gel. I've never tried this, but it smells like the Bum Bum stuff, so game on, you know? And then we have a mini of the Brazilian Crush, which I might actually put this in a future giveaway. Just put it in my giveaway bin because I have a large size of this. But still, I really wanted this, and this, and I got it for $59. And I got a really nice box. Like, I like keeping boxes like this because I use them to help organize makeup for different videos I'm doing and stuff like that. So love it. Okay guys, that is everything today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to find links down below in the description box. I'm putting everything there. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you later guys. Bye.